In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur video in Clipchamp. So the easiest way to do it is by having a video inside Clipchamp and then simply clicking on it on timeline and then going into effects over here on the right, scrolling down to where you see blur and then click on it and you can change the intensity of the blur. So this is the least blur there can be. As you can see, you can still see what the picture, what the video is. But if you move towards the right, as you can see, the picture becomes completely unclear, and at the very right, you can never tell what it was. So this is the first way and the easiest way to add blur to the entire video. But if you want to add blur to only a part of the video, so if you want to only blur this flower up here, let's say, this is how you do it. So first, I'm going to remove blur from the image, and then what you want to do is add a piece of video in here, okay, and then duplicate it on top of another. So what you do is simply Ctrl+C this and then Ctrl+V, so it's going to paste that same video inside the timeline, and then you have to move it on top of the previous bottom layer, and then you have to click on the top layer, so in the video that's on top, and then again go into effects and then find the blur and then blur it however you like it, like this. And then just simply make the video smaller, put it over the area where you'd like to blur, okay? And you can play around with the blur. As you can see, it affects it differently. Let's say I want it like this. There we go. And then simply put it over here. And as you can see, only a part of this video has now been blurred. And the best thing is you can move the blur around, so you can blur it however you want to. Let's say I want to blur in the middle. Okay, if I play it, the middle is now blurred. And then if you don't want it anymore, you can simply delete this layer and you have your original video back. And yeah, this is how to blur video in Clipchamp.